You could have thought there was a rock concert as masses of people were heading for St. Peter's Square in Rome this morning. Some left as early as 2 a.m, others decided to sleep in the streets nearby. All to be there in time when two former popes were declared a saint. Not only is this the first time that two popes, Pope John the 23rd and John Paul II, are being canonized at the same time, it is also the first time that two popes, Pope Francis and Pope Emeritus Benedict XVI, are present at a canonization. There have been voices today questioning St. John Paul II's holiness because of his handling of the abuse scandal. But that wasn't on the minds of those attending.
There's a huge buzz. The pupils could not believe how many people we were seeing as we set off. But it was a brilliant atmosphere, so there was singing through the tunnel, lots of different things happening.
Just being there was just amazing.
Yeah, I mean, it was pretty incredible, just coming here, building up the image of what it was going to be like and then actually seeing it happen.
St. John the 23rd reformed the Church by calling the Second Vatican Council. He will be remembered by many as the good Pope for his kindness and simplicity. St. John Paul II is commonly known as the Great Pope. He was the third longest serving pontifex in history. Andreas Wolff, reporting Scotland, Rome.